All right, YouTube, back to part 2 of this truck lift install. I swear it feels like I'm never gonna get this thing done. But now we got the front part done, got the front portion of the lift on. Now we're gonna work on the back. The back should be easier. All it is take the axle down, put the little block spacers in there, put the axle back on, use the longer U-bolts. Hopefully it goes a little smoother than the front. So this is part 2 of the 2-part series. After this video, should be done with it. a little bit of a rubbing issue. We were able to fit, let's see, can we get that in the frame? LT 295 70 R18. I believe those are pretty much 34s, and at full crank they do rub. So there was a little mud guard here that I had to remove because it would rub right here, which that wasn't a big deal. But then you can also see it does rub some right here. But again, that's just that full lock, full turn. The big issue was this engine guard. You can see I cut this right there. It stuck out probably another 3 inches to cover this. It came out all the way out here. So as you can imagine, if it's rubbing here, if this guard comes all the way out, then it would rub on that something awful. And the first time I drove it away from the tire install place, it was just making a god-awful noise. Anyway, got under it, saw that it was this engine guard. It was the same on the other side too. Wasn't a big deal. I just drew a little line with my marker to see where it was rubbing at. I took the engine guard off, drew a little line with my marker, cut it with my cutting wheel. Wasn't a big deal, but that is an issue you're gonna have if you're gonna run this tire size.